Hi, welcome to Shruti Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we are going to learn how to find the cube of same numbers. This rule applies for numbers 22, 33, 44 till 99. Let's try an example. 22 cube. First, find the cube of 2. Since both digits are same, find the cube of the same number 2. The cube of 2 is 8. Write 8 4 times. Like this. Next, leave the first 8 and the last 8 and double the middle 8s. The double of 8 is 16. Write 16 down. And the double of 8 is 16. Write 16 down. First, write down the 8 as it is. 8 plus 16 is 24. Write down the 4 and carry the 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 16 is 26. Write down the 6 and carry the 2. And 2 plus 8 is 10. Write down the 10. So the cube for 22 is 10648. Let's try another example. 33 cube. First, find the cube of 3. The cube of 3 is 27. Write 27 4 times. Next, leave the first 27 and the last 27 and double the middle 27s. The double of 27 is 54. Write 54 under the 27. Again, write 54 under the next 27. Next, add them up. Write the 7 down and carry the 2. And then add 27 plus 54, which is 81. 81 plus 2 is 83. Write down the 3 and carry the 8. Next, add 27 plus 54, which is 81. 81 plus 8 is 89. Write down the 9 and carry the 8. And then 27 plus 8 is 35. Write down the 35. So the cube for 33 is 35937. Let's try another example. 44 cube. First, find the cube of 4. The cube of 4 is 64. Write 64 4 times. Like this. Next, leave the first 64 and the last 64 and double the middle 64s. The double of 64 is 128. Write 128 below the two 64s. Next, add them up. Write down the 4 and carry the 6. Next, add 64 plus 128, which is 192. Next, add 192 plus 6. 192 plus 6 is 198. Write down the 8 and carry the 19. Next, add 128 plus 64, which is 192, and then add 192 plus 19, which is 211. Write down 1 and carry the 21. Next, add 64 plus 21. 64 plus 21 is 85. Write down the 85. So the cube for 44 is 85184. Thanks for watching.